head down and kick furiously. Simple as that. I try not to suck too much water in. And just remember to breathe, actually. Yeah, it's a good idea. Yeah, no, it's good.
I think we're going to keep our arms at the sides, head first, and just use the flippers like crazy, and try and do the worm at the same time, or the, yeah.
Everyone is full of the joie de vivre. They're all having a wonderful time. You know, Clonurted is the place people come if they're a little bit eccentric or they just want to do something different, not be judged by anything. They can be as crazy as they like here, and we don't bat an eyelid. I mean, just look at me. I mean, if you can, no one looks twice if I walk into the pub dressed like this. They just think, oh, there she comes. It's fabulous.
His mum went in earlier, so he's trying to beat his mother today.
One, go.
So last year his time was a new world record, 1:18.23.
Come on. 107, 108, 109, 110.
1:22.10.
I turned up a couple of years ago and I thought it was just going to be a bit of fun, and actually it is quite challenging. So as a sport, it has that sort of 400 metre type element. If you're a 400 metre runner, that burn that you get in that last bit when you're just desperately trying to make it to the line, it's very, very similar, except on this you're breathing through a snorkel. And so imagine that sort of burn, but without being able to breathe properly. It's that sort of challenge. It's really quite tough. Dark. It is everything that the billing says it will be. It's dark, murky, boggy. You'll bump into stuff as you go. You're not entirely sure what it is you're bumping into. Apparently things live in there. Apparently there are eels, so I'm told. So it does live up to the billing of being a bog. And the first year I did it, I bounced off the sides all the way down. So actually, you've got to make sure you look up occasionally to see where you're going, or you just get lost in it.
Thanks ever so much.